Hey everyone, welcome back to another Jabberwonkie's Garage, and today I'll be reviewing the Ozito Random Orbital Sander. This orbital sander is great for any tool shop, workshop or anything. It's easy, it's transportable, it's light, it's easy to use, and it just needs to be plugged into the wall and you're good to go. So in the box you get your sander, you get a small dust extraction box, which is really handy so you don't have to be wearing any heavy duty gas masks or have any risk of any dust inhalation. It comes with 6 60 grit sanding pads, 8 80 grit sanding pads and 6 120 grit sanding pads. So it's going to last you a really long time. It's super simple to change over. It is cheap, it's affordable, and it is really well made. It cuts through blocks of wood really easily, and you can change it from 60, so you go really quick through it, all the way down to the 120, which is a bit finer and a bit easier to go slower and to get the final result before you go in hand sanding or with a smaller sander. It is really simple. It's just hand on top and either holding the workpiece, have it clamped. You can either have it on the other side or like this or like that. You've got your on and off buttons, so you've just got on the left and then off on the right, and that's all you need to remember. You just have to, and it's got a nice little nose for getting into any of those tight corners. You've got a large pat sanding surface at the back for any larger surfaces that you need sanded, and you've got your centerpiece, which is really simple. It's a bit loud, but it's nowhere near anywhere that would be harmful for your ears, and you don't really need to be wearing any form of hearing protection with it. It is super simple to change from pad to pad if it's worn out or you need to change it for a stronger or lighter grit. All you need to do is flip it over, grab one of your sanding pads, line up the little holes on the sanding pad with the actual bottom face of the sander, line it up. I find it easier just to line up the nose and the rest of it just kind of falls into place, just like that. You're ready to go. And then you just need to peel it off and you can change over to a different one. And it's super simple, super easy, it's fun to use, and it is really safe. Just make sure that you're reading the manuals before you use this machine, because it is still a power tool and it is still quite dangerous, but other than that, it is a great tool if you're just starting out, or you're getting into woodworking, or you're already into woodworking but don't have one of these and you're doing sanding with a bench sander or a massive two-handed belt sander. It's just simpler, it's quicker, it's easier, it's not messy. You just have to lift off this top black top coat, this top lid, and you can go tip all your dust out into a bin or a garden or wherever you're getting rid of all your wood shavings. And then you just line the lid back up and it just clips back into place and you're ready to go again.